To send Bitcoin to people on Cash App, you need to have a Cash App account and a Bitcoin balance in your account. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. If you do not have a Cash App account, download the app and follow the sign-up process to create one. Next, ensure you have a Bitcoin balance in your account. If you do not have Bitcoin in your Cash App, you can purchase some using the app. Tap the Investing tab on the bottom of the screen. Then select Bitcoin and follow the prompts to buy Bitcoin. Once you have a Bitcoin balance, tap the Investing tab again and select Bitcoin. This will take you to the Bitcoin page where you can view your Bitcoin balance and transaction history. Tap the Send button to initiate a Bitcoin transfer. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's $cashtag or Bitcoin address. A $cashtag is a unique identifier for each Cash App user, and it can be used to send and receive money and Bitcoin. If the recipient is also a Cash App user, enter their $cashtag. If the recipient is not a Cash App user, enter their Bitcoin address. After entering the recipient's $cashtag or Bitcoin address, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin or in your local currency. The app will automatically convert the amount to Bitcoin. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. Ensure the recipient's $cashtag or Bitcoin address is correct and the amount of Bitcoin you are sending is accurate. Once you confirm the transfer, the Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient's account. The transaction will be processed on the Bitcoin blockchain and may take a few minutes to several hours to be confirmed, depending on the network congestion and the fee you paid. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so ensure you are sending Bitcoin to the correct recipient. Additionally, be aware of the transaction fees associated with sending Bitcoin, as they can vary depending on the network congestion and the fee you are willing to pay. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin to people on Cash App is a straightforward process that requires a Cash App account, a Bitcoin balance, and the recipient's $cashtag or Bitcoin address. Always review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer, and be aware of the transaction fees and the irreversible nature of Bitcoin transactions.